Hello friends, welcome to Kalpacreations by Ruchita.
Today I'm going to make donuts.
So friends, let's see the ingredients to make the dough. We need warm milk 3/4 cup, sugar 3 tablespoon, yeast 2 teaspoon, all-purpose flour 2 cups, salt half teaspoon, oil 2 teaspoon, 2 to 3 cups oil for frying, and for decorating the donuts we need melted white chocolate, melted milk chocolate and sprinkles.
This is flour, this is sugar, this is milk, and this is salt, this is oil, and this is yeast. First, I'm going to put flour. I'm going to put sugar. Then I'm going to put salt. Then I'm going to put yeast. Then I'm going to put oil. And then I'm going to pour milk in. So I'm going to make this go to 2.
Here I am using instant rapid rise yeast. It can be added to flour along with other ingredients directly. When using active dry yeast, mix it in warm milk with sugar and a tablespoon of flour. Let it soak for 10 to 15 minutes in a warm place. Make sure that milk or water is lukewarm. Hot liquid will kill the yeast. Mix all the ingredients to make dough. It takes about 3 to 4 minutes for dough to form in stand mixer. The dough will be sticky at the same time at this time. Needed for 8 to 10 more minutes in stand mixer. Now the dough should be smooth, stretchy and not sticking to hands. If kneading with hand, then it may take up to 12 to 15 minutes of kneading. Sometimes the dough is very sticky. You can take a tablespoon or two of flour in a pan, dip your hand in the dry flour as needed, and continue kneading the dough.
I'm going to close the kitchenette. Now the dough is ready. It must not flapper and it's super smooth on the top of it. It has to be smooth on top. It's supposed to not be flappery. Now I'll apply some oil and to keep it at warm place for 1 hour. And now I flip it over like that. 1 hour is done. So now it's time to punch the dough a little like that. Ooh. I know it's super good. It's so good. Now we are going to make balls out of the dough. So you need a parent's help. That's how you make a ball.
Tip: dip the cutter in dry flour so that the dough will cut easily. Make dough balls and flatten it. You can also roll the entire dough with the rolling pin and cut the big circle with cookie cutter and make inner hole by using any small cutter like back of the piping nozzle. Apply the mixture of 2 tablespoons milk and 1 teaspoon of butter on the donut and cover it with the cloth. Keep it aside for second proofing for 20 to 30 minutes. The oil should be at medium heat while frying. Fry the donuts till golden brown. Now, after the donuts are ready, then you have to glaze them. Let's see how to glaze the donuts. After frying, roll the hot donuts in the mixture of sugar and cinnamon powder. This is the first type. Second type is you can whisk together 2 cups of powdered sugar, 1/4 cup of milk and 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract until smooth. When the donuts are cool enough to handle the heat, dip into the glaze. If you like, flip them so the tops they are completely covered. Put on the rack to let the glaze harden. Or else the third type of glazing the donut, Urja will tell you about that. You can see the texture. It is very nice, fluffy.
Now my mom has fried the donuts. It's time to decorate the donuts now. So, these are the toppings we have. Rainbow sprinkles, white sprinkles, chocolate, and brown chocolate chip and white chocolate chip melted. And that's all the toppings we have. Now, we are going to take a donut and dip it in chocolate. And voila, we have a chocolate donut. And then we put it on the plate. And then we will glaze it with some white chocolate. Like that. And then we'll take some sprinkles that we love, that we want to, and then sprinkle them, sprinkle, and take 2 if you want, because there are 2. You can take 2 after all. And if you need more, you can take more. And now it was time to decorate donut. And that's how you decorate a donut.